Good day mga ka-CSS, I am Renz LCB Nastam and I'm here today to explain the 5 importance module of computer system servicing. First module is about types of computers. We have 4 types of computers. First is supercomputers, pinaka-powerful at fastest, ginagamit sa research at space exploration. Second is mainframe, ginagamit ng mga big companies at government kasi kaya nito mag-handle ng libo-libong users sabay-sabay. And mini computers, mid-range computers, ginagamit sa business and organization. And last is microcomputers. Ito yung mga personal computers, laptop, tablet, smartphone na madalas nating gamitin. And tungo tayo sa second module. So, second module is about the parts and function of computers. So, the basic parts are system unit, monitor, keyboard, and mouse. So, the system unit is the core kasi andun yung CPU at memory. The monitor show as the output and the keyboard and mouse are the input device para makapag-type at control ng computers. So, meron din tayo mga peripherals like speakers, printers, para sa sounds at printing needs. So, tungo tayo sa third module. And third module is about parts of the system unit. So, we have, inside the system unit, we have motherboards. Ito yung main circuit board. CPU, the brain of the computers. RAM, temporary storage, HDD, and optical drive for saving files and data. Meron din tayong video card, sounds card, at network cards para sa graphics, audio, at internet connection. Fourth module is about parts of the motherboards. This is where all components are connected. CPU socket for the processor, RAM slot for the memory, power connector and SATA ports for storage devices, expansion slot like PCI and PCIe para sa extra cards. So, and different parts like USB, HDMI, VGA, LAN, and audio para sa connection to other devices. Lastly is multimedia storage device. May dalawang type. Dito yung internal, tulad ng HDD, SSD, and hybrid drives. External, tulad ng USB, flash drive, external hard drive, CD, DVD, and Blu-ray disc. Ito yung ginagamit para mag-save, mag-transfer, at mag-backup ng files like music, movie, and documents. So, sa kabuuan, lahat ng parts ng computers ay nag-work together to process data, store information, and give us the output na kailangan natin para sa school, work, at everyday life. So, yun lamang mga ka-CSS. Sana may natutunan kayo sa video ito. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye!